besties, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hello, hi, my name is Jen, welcome. And if you're over a goodie, thank you so much for coming back. I truly appreciate you guys so much. I don't know why my eyes is watering, allergy. It is spring, so my eyes get super watery. Anyways, besties, today I am coming with my favorite video, which is a perfume review for you guys. A newfound blind buy. Okay, I just decided to buy this and I want to review for you guys, and I have tried perfume and I want to tell you guys if it's worth your money. But before that, have you subscribed? Oh, wait a minute, I'll give you a minute, because I don't know what you're doing with your life or what kind of game you're playing, but you need to subscribe. Please, thank you. Have you done it? Oh, thank you, bestie. So besties, the perfume I am going to review today is, I hope the camera is focusing, this is the perfume I am going to review for you guys. Is this Dirham Wardi? I hope I'm saying it right. Is this Arabic perfume? You guys know on social media everybody's going crazy over Arabic perfume, so I thought I would dip my feet into it. The other day we went for, it was Eid, yeah, Friday. We went to mosque to pray, and then we decided to go to this shop to buy some fruits and meat and all that stuff for Eid, for us to go cook, because we needed extra stuff, me and my auntie. So we went to the shop and we were trying perfumes, and I was like, I need to try this pink because of the shade. I was just like, yeah, that looked cute, and I just decided to ask the guy to let me try it, and he did. When I tell you, there's one perfume my auntie told me to take, and I told her I want to try this. As soon as I spray it, she was like, yeah, I don't need this one anymore. I need the one that you're holding. So this perfume, I have been testing it, like seriously lasts long. I don't even know what am I waiting for? Why am I not spraying? So besties, this perfume, it's sexy. It smells divine. I tested it out for you guys because I want to know how long it lasts on the skin. This lasts all freaking day. I could still smell it on me. It's amazing. It's sexy. This is my signature scent now, like for real. This is, if you see me, if you meet me, this is what you're gonna be smelling like on my regular day basis. You know, obviously sometimes I will spice it up with something. Let me tell you guys the notes on this perfume. So this perfume is a fresh floral scent, slightly woody. The opening is so fresh and citrus, like I don't know, it's so freaking exciting. Just like, I just feel I smell expensive, even though this perfume is not expensive. I don't even know why I'm wasting 60-70 pounds in certain perfumes when this one is amazing. I'm not even, listen, it's powdery, it's rosy. It's so delicious and creamy and sexy. Okay, this, not only that it's citrus, smell fresh, it's spicy. You have jasmine and lavender. It's warm. It's just mix of everything. Oh, it's so freaking feminine. If you just want to smell feminine, not too fruity, it's not sickly. Oh god, how can I wish I could spray it through the camera for you guys. Like seriously, if you wear this and go out to meet any men or even your friends, people will be chasing you. Hi, this, oh god, how? I just can't stop spraying it. Like seriously, it's crazy how good this is. And this was 16 pound. Say what? 16 pound. And you can get it in Amazon, but I got this on the shop like I told you guys. But I will be purchasing this over and over and over again. Not only that, the bottle is cute. For 16 pound, the bottle is cute and smells good. lasts long, sexy, super feminine, not extremely sweet, it's not sickly. It's just like I found my perfect perfume signature. This is it. This is it. All I'm going to tell you guys, if you haven't tried this, run to Amazon or run to your Arabic perfume shop, grab you this and you will not regret it. And from now on, I'm going to be reviewing so many other Arabic perfume for you guys. Is it they call it Mid Eastern?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Oh God. Anyways, I'm just gonna say Arabic perfume because Arabic perfume ne? I don't know why I can't talk, but this perfume, it's freaking sexy. I'm going to link it. I'm gonna get that link on Amazon, link it for you guys in the description, so check it out, click on it, buy it. I recommend 10 out of 10. I freaking recommend. Okay, it lasts long, it smells good, you will thank me later. Okay, that's all I have to say about this perfume. Don't waste your time, run bestie, run, don't walk, run. Okay, but yeah, now I'm just gonna go out on my walk and smell good, smell amazing, smell sexy, and enjoy myself. If you do like this video, thumbs up. If you have any Arabic perfume that you want me to review, let me know the name in the comment section. I will make sure and do my research and get it and then review it for you guys. There's so many other perfume review coming up, so make sure you stay tuned and make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss it. If you like to smell nice, then this is a channel for you. Anything feminine, anything smelling good, looking after yourself, leveling up, this channel is about that. So make sure you subscribe, like, and let me know your favorite Arabic perfume that you love, that you feel like it lasts long, that you think I'm gonna like. Link them, okay? Let me know. Not to link. Leave them on the comment section because I would love to check it out. So yeah, that's all for this video. I love you guys. See you guys on the next video. Bye besties.